Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super useful trick in Google Sheets, how to make all your cells the same size, both columns and rows. If you've ever struggled with messy spreadsheets where things just don't line up right, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to tidy things up and get your data looking extra sharp and organized. Let's jump right in. First, let's tackle the columns. What you want to do is click and drag your mouse across the column headers. Those are the gray boxes at the very top that usually have letters like A, B, C, and so on. So let's say you want every column from A to F to be the same width. Simply click on the A at the top, then holding down your mouse, drag across to F. You'll notice all those columns are now highlighted, which means anything you do next will affect all of them at once. Now here, where the magic happens. Move your cursor up to the border between any two highlighted columns. You'll see it change into a two-sided arrow. This tells you you're ready to resize. Just click and drag that border left or right, and you'll see all the selected columns snap into the new size together. For example, if you want everything to be nice and wide for a schedule, you can drag it out. Or maybe you just want tight, narrow columns for lists. It's as easy as sliding it over. The best part is you don't have to repeat this over and over for each column. One move resizes them all. Take a second to double check and you'll see how neat your sheet looks already. If you're unsure about how wide to make it, don't stress. You can always adjust later, and this trick works every time. Alright, now let's do the same thing for rows. It's almost identical, but instead of using the top headers, you'll use the numbers down the side. Just click on the row number for the first row you want, then drag down to select however many rows you'd like to resize. Again, you'll see they're all highlighted, which means you're in control of all of them at once. Next, move your mouse over the line at the edge of any selected row. You'll see that two-sided arrow icon pop up. Click and drag the row border up or down to adjust. Watch as all those rows change together, just like the columns did. This part might take a few moments if you're new to it, but don't worry if you don't get the sizing perfect the first time. You can always click and try again until the sheet looks just right for your project. Whether you're setting up a budget, a school log, or planning your next vacation, having evenly sized cells can really make your data easier to read. And that's all there is to it, just selecting, dragging, and setting those columns and rows to exactly the size you want. Quick and easy, but it makes a world of difference in how professional and clear your spreadsheet feels. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. Got any questions or a spreadsheet headache you want help with? Drop a comment below. I read every one and I'm here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.